Do you find yourself spending endless hours searching for the ideal image for your website or project? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll introduce you to a free AI image generator that will save you time and effort. So, without any delay, let's dive in and explore. Go to Blue Willow website by clicking on a link which I haven't provided in a description box. Once you enter into a website, click Join the Beta for free to proceed. After you are redirected to a new page, find the rookie channels in order to create images. Now here 4 rookie channels are visible here, so select one of them to begin creating our image. Prior to creating images, it's important to know a basic comment. However, don't worry, I'll guide you through it. Now the basic comment will now be visible on the screen. This comment will assist us in creating our images. Okay, now let's try imagining a white shark in the sky. So, I'm gonna describe my image/imagine white shark in the sky in the prompt section. After describing your image, wait a few seconds for it to display. Once the image appears, you can upscale it by clicking on U1, U2, U3, or U4. You can also make variations by clicking on V1, V2, V3, or V4. If you want to see a different set of images, click the Reload option, which will generate a new set of images. Once you are satisfied with your image, click on the Upscale button and save the image by right-clicking with your mouse. That's all about today's tutorial. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe buttons on my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.